I just spoke to Mr. Toom, the owner of this farm. It's called Charm Farm. Lovely guy. He kindly showed me his organic vegetables. I couldn't film it, unfortunately, because it was very, very quick. But yeah, he just showed me how he grows it. Essentially, I think it's hydroponic or something, where the water goes through into tube and feeds into each plant that kind of grows into these little holes. It's very good. He said about what he sells them for, it's about 1 kilogram for 100 baht. Given the amount of stuff that he grows, he probably makes a lot of money, and also he's got a lot of stuff from the outside. Yeah, it's a very interesting concept. It's a nice way of growing. Mr. Toom also runs a hotel. It looks very lovely and in a very good environment, you know, quite far from the main road. So it's 700 baht a night. You know, if any of you are interested, you know, it's out here in the road 102. The farm's called Charm Farm. I'd recommend it. Unfortunately, I couldn't really stay because I've got a very long way to go into Laos, and I need to keep going. And in addition to that, I've also managed to ask him where I could buy this gas canister, because I've been running low on gas in the last 2 days, you know, which I really need for cooking. He told me that I might be able to buy it in this Home Depot, which is only about 5 kilometers away. So Mr. Toom recommended this place here, that I might be able to buy the canister here. I'm hoping so. If I find it here, I might buy 2 of those, because they're so hard to come by. Oh, I really doubt it. It's more like ceramic kind of stuff. Nope, no luck. They don't sell these things there. Just gonna give up. I don't know where else am I gonna get this. So I've just spotted this Wat along this road 210. It's not on the map, so I thought, okay, maybe I could try this one. Hopefully they'll let me in. You can see the wall of this temple. It's kind of leaning to the side now. Looks like it's gonna fall very soon. I'm gonna try this, see if I can sleep here tonight. Doesn't look like there's anybody in this temple. It's kind of hard to tell if someone's on this temple or monastery. I see some dogs over there. There's also a couple of lodges there or kuti. I'm gonna wait for a bit and see if someone comes. Places like this, usually there's only like 1 or 2 monks. So I'm gonna chill here for a while before I set my camp, just in case they turn me away. It's pretty much run down, but has potential though. I mean, next to these mountains there, mountain cliffs, beautiful cliffs. There's 2 lodges there, beautiful lodges. Yeah, got potential. It looks like it has been completely abandoned. There's nobody here. Okay. Looked like someone was sleeping here. But I might take up this space. Temporary space for a night. Okay, well, the water's not running, and some of the doors on those places are locked, which indicates that no one's there. Look, nothing, completely abandoned. So I think I'll just set camp here for the night. That kuti looks amazing though. It's just a little bit of a trek. I can't really pull my bike up there, so I think I'm just gonna set up camp here next to my neighbor. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Can I join you for the night? Yeah. Right, it's 17th of February now, and it's Friday, I believe. Just woke up half an hour ago, and now it's 6:02. Setting off from this another monastery, and this road 210. Back on the road now. Heading to Nombua and then Udon Thani. Probably Udon Thani is two days. Anyway, as I was saying, I found this monastery at 6 o'clock in the evening. There wasn't anybody there at all when I arrived. There's just like 3 or 4 dogs and 1 cat. When I woke up from around 4 in the morning, the other kuti, just in front of one of the temples, has a light on. So it makes me wonder, okay, well, there must be someone there. He just didn't bother to come out, you know. But I thought there's nobody at all because it all seems fully locked. I don't know, maybe this monk or whoever's taking care of that temple was out somewhere when I arrived. Yeah, it was an interesting night. I managed to do my thing, like wash up, clean up myself, and do some exercise, load some of my videos into my memory storage, and a bit of meditation as well. It's just a pretty cool spot, and I'm grateful to whoever is running that place, and I'm sorry if I couldn't say hi or goodbye even, you know, given the time of arrival and the time I had to set off. So I might arrive in Udon Thani, depending on the road condition and how my body feels. Thank you very much. Kapun krap. Mission success. One of the things that I wanted to do while traveling here is attaching a flag on the back of my trailer. So one of the locals gave me one of those, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna just find a very soft string and a pole to attach to the back of my trailer there. I'm gonna have a dam flag very soon. I'm pretty psyched. There's a very old guy got trapped on this Isuzu 4x4 and couldn't get out because he's ill. He seems conscious, but he just couldn't move his hand to lift the lock. And these guys are just waiting for his friend to open it up.